Right. Good afternoon. It's August 12th, 2026. And here's a look at this is the 17,000 tick chart. We've really just been going sideways since the end of this breakout from uh, August 4th and 5th. It ended August 4th and 5th. Let's look at the 40,000 tick chart. Yeah, just been going sideways. And I leveled up to a 95,000 tick chart. So let's see how many bars were in that breakout. I think what is it? Control F3, I think. Control F3. So if you count the bottom, the real bottom, let's go to here. That's 33 bars. And then if you really start here where the real breakout happened, maybe we should be looking at that. That's 17 bars. Um, so since then, how many bars have occurred on this 95,000 tick chart? Let's see. 32. So this is a pretty long pullback. And that's something you got to keep in mind. Um, I think it's worth thinking about. We had this bear channel pull back to the EMA, and then it popped a little, and you got a higher low. And usually, after a breakout, you would think, okay, we're going higher, but it's just really just been slow lately. And here's the daily chart. So 6 bars of overlap pretty much. But there is like core PPI and CPI tomorrow, so maybe we'll get some volatility. But I was looking at yesterday when I came in, I was looking at this range, and I think that's pretty much prices have just been respecting this. This is the measured move to the low side. So let's drag that over. And the measured move to the high side. So let's take a look with that in mind. So we had a pretty strong move up. It was like a break higher, and that pulled back. Found support on the EMA, went higher again. Couldn't quite hit that resistance from the overnights of yesterday. We had a news item, and prices went crazy. Let's see how big that bar is. So that's a 26-point bar. And then we chopped up to the highs of yesterday. And then we sold off. And then you get this wedge pattern. We get a bull breakout, and that's where I was really, because I was trying to go long this morning based on I believe it was based on the 95,000 tick chart, because we had such a strong close right here with a big bull body. But we couldn't break into new highs, and so that's a sign too. So, but when we did get this breakout, I really like that setup. You got one push down, two push down, three push down, and you get strong follow through. But just everyone took profits. So we come down here again. I think you can argue for this. I just didn't like that. I was going short there, and I didn't like that prices were responding to the EMA, and so I started thinking that prices were going to go down. And really, it was just choppy for like the whole day. Here we're back and forth on both sides of this support resistance, this price level. So I like this. I liked this short, and it didn't do anything. You didn't even trigger. If you use the stop market order, I would have liked this. Nothing happened there. So I mean, I like this. I like this, but you would have gotten trapped. I like this. Big move down. The buyers came right back in at that price level. I saw a reason why I like this level for buying, but I forget. Oh yeah, it's just the midline of the measured move. And then after that, man, I'm not touching anything because this is just so choppy up and down. So, hopefully tomorrow we get some more volatility, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Um, the daily average, I calculated it to be about 60 points in these last few days. Today was only 46. So uh, hopefully we'll get some volatility. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.